Here I have written mass communication. So as you know that we have completed the person to the form of communication, that is the number one form of communication, that is person to person. And in person to person we have taught about telephone, email, postal services, and now we are going to read about the mass communication. So first I would like to say that what is the meaning of this mass communication. Mass communication, this form of communication makes it possible to communicate with a large number of people, and that is the meaning. Large number of people, the meaning of mass is large number of people. Okay, and what I am telling that this form of communication makes it possible to communicate with a mass, with the mass. So that means with a large number of people at the same time. Okay, therefore it is called mass communication. At the same time, when that means this form of communication gives the information to a large number of people. Okay, now what are the parts of this mass communication? You can see here I have written the first point, that is television. So what is this? First I have written, you can see, that is the popular form. Popular form means, what is the meaning of that? Television is a very popular form of mass media. That number one. Huge satellites relay information to different places, even to distant villages. That means it is actually a very much popular form, and the first of all it is very much popular form, and because of the satellite and everything, it can that means through this television we can give the information to many places, even to the distant villages. Okay, now number second point, that is earlier run by government. That means earlier telecast in India were only made through government, but now it is not like that. Now many private channels actually are running. That means earlier telecast in India were only made through the government, and now what happened, that means but now there are hundreds of channels run by private private companies. Okay, and it is not only in our country but also from other countries. Next point, information and entertainment. What is the meaning of that? That means they offer information and entertainment on a wide range of subjects. That means because of this television we get entertained, and also we get the informations. It is especially useful for the many Indians. That means you know that Indians, the population of India is huge, and a large quantities of Indians will get the news through the television. So here it is useful for many Indians also, because illiteracy is there also. People cannot read and write. For those people who cannot read and write, they get to know the informations through television. Okay, now I have written on the board, that is internet. Nowadays it is very important thing for us. And what is that? What is the meaning of this? You can see it is internet is a world wide web of connections which makes instant communication possible. You know it very well. Suppose like when you are getting the information about an apple. So apple means, what is the meaning of apple? You just go to you just take the help of internet and you write in Wikipedia, and therefore within just a second you get the information about apple and everything. Okay, so that is why internet is very useful for nowadays, and it is a world wide web of connections. Okay, now we are going to learn about what are the uses of internet. There are lots and lots of uses of internet. We can see nowadays also in this pandemic situation. First of all, I have written here, you listen, you see, send and receive emails. We have learned We had learned about emails and what are the uses of emails and why emails are very important. We have learned, and sending and receiving these emails, internet is very much needed. Okay. Next one, that is get information. Get information means from any part of the world we get the informations through the internet. Okay. Suppose like what is happening in America right now, we get the informations with the help of this internet. Okay. Now the third point, what is that? Use social networking. Use social networking means nowadays we people are very much used to with this social networking, and when we are using this social networking, so we use internet also. Now next one, that is upload pictures. We are uploading many pictures and we are downloading many pictures also with the help of this internet. Okay. Next point here I have written. Now see here, book travel tickets. Suppose like when we are going somewhere, so we don't have to go to the ticket counter and don't have to give the line or go into the queue, because now it is internet is there, and with the help of this internet we can book travel tickets also. Okay, through by sitting in our own home. Next one, that is shop online. Many people are shopping through the online services. Okay, with what? With the help of this internet. Okay. Next one, you can see this one, that watch events. Watch events means suppose any events are going on. Suppose like any World Cup. Suppose like World Cup is going on, football World Cup. So that the inauguration of this what to say, that inauguration of this that ceremony. Okay, so we can use the internet. With the help of that internet we can watch this event. Okay. Next one, that is banking transactions. Banking transactions now also it is very much done by the help of this internet. Now we don't have to go to the bank, and we don't have to do give the money. We don't have to take the money from there. We can use of this internet. We can have the banking transaction also. Next one, that is telephone line. Telephone, as a telephone line means with the help of this internet we can talk to our relatives, we can talk to our friends also. So it is just like the telephone line. It is using as the telephone line. Next one, that is seek medical help. What is the meaning of this seek medical help? Seek medical help especially in faraway villages. Suppose like in faraway villages if any a person is needing the help, with the help of this internet he or she can get the medical facilities also. Next one, get accurate weather reports for farmers. Here I have written that weather report. So weather report we can get it through the help of this internet, for farmers also, for sailors who are sailing into the sea. So we get the information of the weather report, we get the information about the weather through the help of this internet. So nowadays it is very, very important for us. Okay. This amazing technology which gives instant access to so many services has changed the way of life for people all over the world. What we are also seeing, because of that internet, our lifestyle also has been changed. It has become the most useful technology for communication ever created so far. Obviously, you know that through the email, within a few seconds we can get the we can send and receive the letters also. So obviously it is very useful for us, and countries are finding more and more ways of using it to better the life of the people. Obviously people are finding out so many opportunities through the help of this internet. For what? For making the lives of people better. Okay. Now students, you can see here I have written in the board that print media. So what is the meaning of this print media? This meaning of this print media generally comes with the help of this newspaper and magazines. So these are the printed form of mass media communication, including newspapers and magazines. Okay, so these are published in almost all the part of India in various regional languages. That means newspaper, you know about this, with the help of this newspaper we get to know the news of our country as well as the whole world. And it is actually not only, it is published in not only in English language but also the regional languages of India, and the different and other that means English also. Okay, that means through different languages we get the newspapers and magazines too. In big cities, we also get magazines and newspapers published in other countries. And if we come to the big cities, so in all cities, in all big cities, we get the other, that means other, getting magazines and newspapers published in other countries. Okay. So through this print media we get the informations, and these are especially this print media, this mass communication is having the help of this newspaper and the magazines. Okay, now come to this one, radio. Radio is also a popular medium for news and entertainment, and this radio, okay, there are broadcasting stations run by both the government and the private companies, both. That means government is also with the help of this government, this radio broadcasting is done, and also with the help of this private companies. Okay, FM radio, you know that very well. FM radio we are using in cars through our and we also use it using in our mobiles. Okay, in India we also receive signals of radio stations from other countries. You know that maybe you have done, maybe you have listened also. With the help of we also, that means we Indians get signals of other countries. What signals? We get the radio stations. That means we get the radio stations of other countries too. Not only we are that means we are getting the signals of our own countries, we also get the radio stations of other countries. Okay, now it is very important thing, what that is, it is the most powerful form of communication. That means it is, this radio is very important power of communication, has the power of communication. Okay, since why? Because since mass media can reach large numbers of people, it's not only the radio. Okay, I'm not talking about only the radio. Radio is very much, and as radio as well as that print media and that internet, television, this is uh, this mass media, these are all in the mass media. Okay, and this can reach large number of people. They can influence the way people think and react. Okay, so it is our duty to verify each and every news first, and then we must react upon this, upon the news. Okay.